From Bandra to Marine Drive, the streets have turned into a mini camp now today. With no kickoff, no goals, but the excitement is already full time. All just for a moment that might last for a few seconds. With 91 goals in a year, yes, you heard that right. 91 goals in 365 days. With a winning Ballon d'Or number 8 times. That's more than a player had scored in history of football. If you had one choice to say assist, goal, or an eye contact with Messi, what will you choose?
Anything. Like, beggars can't be choosers, as I know. Like, anything would be like legendary for me.
Eye contact will be on the cards, but it is not possible. We'll go for goal for now.
Yeah, meeting him, handshake probably.
It would be a very great privilege to have a assist from Messi, like he crossing in and me scoring. It would be a dream for me.
Before this, I showed you what fans are expecting from the streets. Now I am inside the Wankhede Stadium, bringing you voices from the fans who are ready to wait for a longer moment for just that glimpse of their god of football, Lionel Messi.
I would want to watch his goal because that's what has gotten me hooked to him.
Well, eye contact is the best one.
Man, if he just waves towards me, that's more than enough for me.
Eye contact and a goal.
What is that one word that you want to say to Messi right now?
I love you, Messi.
GOAT. GOAT. Simple as that. GOAT. He's the best player in the history of football.
Go to rock on.
As we wrap the second day of Go Tour event, Wankhede Stadium was lit up with the shouts of Messi, Suarez and De Paul. The excitement was on top. Maybe fans didn't get any football, maybe no selfies, but Lionel Messi's presence in India is a remarkable achievement for them. Ishan Rathi reporting from Mumbai for NDTV Profit.